Very soon, the Samsung is going to release the phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy M47 on the June 29th. And I'm going to explain you what are the specifications and what can be the price expected for the Samsung Galaxy M47 device. So during this price hike and everything going on at this moment, the price is a most important factor right now, which can decide whether the phone is going to be big hit or not because of the price thing. So regarding the specifications, why the Samsung looks kind of good regarding the specifications, not bad. But regarding the processor, the Samsung used is a mid-range kind of processor, which is a Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor. As you can see, Samsung like Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. And if you want to know about the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, previously I did use the Moto G57 Power. This phone released for like 13,000 last year. Right now it's available like 18, 17,000. This has got Snapdragon 6S Gen 4. These benchmarks are close to 8 lakhs benchmarks. So maybe this Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 will be around like 7 lakhs of benchmarks. So Samsung could have slightly improved the processor by providing better Snapdragon processor instead of 6 Gen 3. But that is what I did felt. But Samsung did do one thing, which is a faster LPDDR RAM type, 5x RAM type, and the UFS storage 3.1. So these two things are kind of improved and upgraded when you compare with the LPDDR 4x RAM and the UFS storage 2.2. So regarding the performance wise, this is the thing. And regarding the price, what can be expected based on the chipset, we can decide. The price can be starting around like 20, like maximum it can go like 29,999, between 24,999 to 29,999. This can be the price for the Samsung Galaxy M47. So that is what I am guessing regarding the price. 24,999 will be the perfect solid price for this kind of segment of the Samsung Galaxy M47. And regarding the battery, this has got the battery capacity of close to like 6,000 mAh battery capacity, and there is a 45 watts of fast charging is included. As you can see, 45 watts fast charging and 6,000 mAh of battery capacity is expected in this Samsung Galaxy M47 device. So regarding the performance, we got to know, and regarding the battery and the charging speed also, we got the specifications. And about the display, which will be having 120 Hz AMOLED display, okay, which is also really very good. Samsung AMOLED displays 120 Hz, that's also really fantastic. And regarding the main key note is that 6 OS updates. So 6 OS updates is really a very good thing, and 6 years of security patch updates. So that is the biggest advantage for the phone. So if you plan to buy the phone and if you are trying to use for the next few years, then definitely that's a good advantage. But to use this phone for that much long time, you should have better performance and more battery. Like instead of having 6,000, like if there's 7,000, maybe we could have used for a long time. Instead of having the processor 6 Gen 3, maybe they could include like 6S Gen 4 or Snapdragon like 7S Gen 3, something like that processor we could use for a long time. So it doesn't make much sense. Like for 6 years, will the phone performance will be same with the low-end performance processor or not? That is what the big question at this moment. And regarding the camera, it has got the 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and the 2 megapixel macro, 12 megapixel front camera. As you can see, these are the few details about the camera also. The complete display is complete flat display. It's not like curved, completely flat. And there are also few options available, like object eraser and filter and everything. So it comes with the Android 16, and there is also NFC is there, tap and pay, which is also available in the phone. That's also really good, tap and pay option, fantastic. And comes with the Android 16 and One UI 8.5 update out of the box. So for the next 6 OS updates will be applicable till Android 22. So many updates is available for the Samsung Galaxy M47. So all guys, if you try to look at the overall specifications wise, the display, the camera, the build quality, the design, kind of okay, good, not bad. But the processor could have been slightly better. And the battery could have been maybe close to 7,000 mAh. That is what I do feel. That's not present at this moment. So at least the processor could have been improved, like 7S Gen 3, something like that. That could have been really good. So hopefully the price should be less so that a lot of people might be able to buy this device. That is what I'm expecting. If the price is close to 24,999, that's a really very good deal. For the price 24,999 Samsung Galaxy M47, I'm getting so many OS updates, 6 OS updates and 6 year security patch updates, and build quality and the design, camera, display is really fantastic. So these are my few thoughts guys about the price details and the initial impressions and the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M47. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching and bye.